Good morning, all of you. Ashok Kumar Misra. Continue with the chapter second of class 3, hardware and software. Hardware क्या है, software क्या है, इससे रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेश्चंस बुक के अंदर से होगा कि जैसे एलन टिंग्स इज known for his contribution toward the modern computer. He is considered as the father of the modern computer. And Lady Augusta Lovelock is regarded as the first computer programmer. Intel is the world's largest fast प्रोसेसर मेकिंग कंपनी. तो इस प्रकार ये जो क्वेश्चंस बनेंगे वो बुक के अंदर का ऑब्जेक्टिव बनेगा. अब fill in the blanks. A part of the computer that can be touched are known as hardware. A device used for sorting data is called the storage device. The device that gives result after processing the data is output device. A set of instruction gives a computer to do a particular work is called operating system, and the software manage all overall working of the computer. Now true false. Software that can do a specific types of work is called system software is false. A scanner is a input device is true. The Paint 3D program used to drawing the picture is true. A printer is an output device is true. A device that gives us output is called input device is false. Matching. Input device keyboard. Data is 90 plus 85 plus 69 plus 98 plus 76 plus 84 is data. A storage device hard disk. Hardware is printer and software is song. इसके बाद ये भी क्वेश्चंस आपके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है. ए डिवाइस कॉमनली यूज्ड फॉर प्लेइंग गेम इज जॉयस्टिक्स. ए डिवाइस यूज्ड फॉर स्टोरिंग ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ डाटा एंड इंफॉर्मेशन इज हार्ड डिस्क. ए डिवाइस दैट कैन read words, picture and number from paper and store them in a computer is a scanner. A device that is used to hear sound music stored in a computer is a speaker. तो ये चैप्टर 2 का हुआ. अब चैप्टर 3 टक्स पेंट. टक्स पेंट्स के अंदर ये इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन बनेगा कि बिल कैंड्रिक इज लेट द डेवलपर एंड डिजाइनर ऑफ द टक्स पेंट. Folder effect. If you want to apply the fold effect on your drawing, use fold sub tools, magic tools. Rosti effect is magic tools used for draw the pattern in a shape of arrows. Repulse effect apply the magic tools make the object look wavy in a circular manner. Fill in the blanks. A paint is used to draw freehand drawings. We can create a mirror image or of a stamps using the mirror buttons. The emboss button gives the raised effect of an object from the surface that you have drawn. The tux paint has been translated in 129 language. A mosaic tool is used to apply the pattern of the many small colored pieces of stones. Now true false. Tux paint is a freehand software is true. When you select the line tools, the pointer change into the brush shape is false. A stamp tools used to add ready-made image of an image is true. And mosaic effect lighten the color of an object is false. And tux paint provide 48 different background color or a picture is false. Now MCQ. Hash brush is used to draw objects that are far away is second. Bill Kendrick led the developer and designer of tux paint. Which of the tools is used to create freehand pattern is kaleidoscope. And when line tools is selected, the pointer change plus symbol. And rainbow effect draw a trail of rainbow color as you drag and magic bands on the drawing area. तो ये चैप्टर 2 और 3 का आपका रिवीजन हो गया. नेक्स्ट डे हम क्लास चैप्टर 4-5 का रिवीजन करेंगे. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.